Hello everyone, my name is Chan Hoang. I have a story is the cat and the mouse. In the house, there were many mice that always stole the food, neglected clothes and the other things. As about the recess, the owner house fed a cat to catch the mouse, but the cat is very stubborn, does not catch mouse, and is discussed not to eat the mouse, like to eat only grilled fish. The angry landlord also beat the cat. The cat became angry and hurt and tired to hide a catch the mouse until it caught a mouse. When the cat was about to eat, the mouse began, "Don't eat me, I'm very small." The cat replied, "I must eat because you have neglected my master properly and stole my master food." The mouse continued, "Let me go. I will help you to get rid of all the mice." The cat asked how to get rid of it. The mouse explained, "More, I will tell all the mice to leave this house." The cat angry. The mouse happily ran to ask each other to leave. The mouse sighed that day the cat had been loved by the owner and giving delicious food to eat every day. Goodbye everyone. They pay attention to my reader story. Thank you.